This year marks the 60th year of independence. It has been 60 years since we have been proving to the world that we are a set of resilient and independent people who can survive and rise above any and every situation. It is this fighting spirit in us, which we have inherited from our African forefathers, that has shaped us and has made us who we are over the decades. And so, it is not by chance that we are officially celebrating Africa Day for the first time in the history of this country. From this day onward, on the 25th of May, we will be celebrating Africa Day.
And going forward, this celebration will be similar to those held on Jamaica Day. Right across Jamaica, schools got the opportunity to execute activities focusing on Jamaica's African culture and heritage. It was celebrated with rich cultural displays from 4 African countries: Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, and Ethiopia. Africa Day is observed annually to commemorate the founding of the Organization of African Unity, OAU, which was created on May 25, 1963. The Africa Day celebration is a collaboration between the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport and the Ministry of Education and Youth. It will be used as an avenue to emphasize character building among students while promoting positive attitudes and values. The inaugural staging in Jamaica was a colorful, exciting affair.
Africa, we want to go.
Head slave, house slave, get up off your bums. Philosophies and opinions should be taught in the curriculum. Bleaching out your color, hiding from yourself. Neprizone and Metasol can hardly stay up on the shelf.
There were other wonderful performances from teachers, students, and visitors alike. Clothing is an important part of the African culture, and so we could not close out the day's celebration without highlighting a few pieces.